Alright, CBVVS Country Cowboy here with another how-to video. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to find the online course Money Games. This is going to be a very quick video. So, as you know, in our how-to videos, we like to pull up the mobile screen here. Let's first back up a little bit. Still see screen or whatever, but we pull this up over here. Pull that up. This is going to serve as my desktop, and I'll pull up another one of the phone. We can delete this one just to make this simple. Oh, it kind of blew out of proportion here. This will be my desktop, so Cowboyyvvs.com. This will be my cell phone, Cowboyyvvs.com. We're going to keep up. Well, we can go right here. Bet. Desktop, cell phone, how to get to the money game. So first you want to log in. We've already went over how to sign up in numerous videos. You just want to sign up if you haven't for the affiliate program. Log in right there, log in right here. Let's click them both at the same time. See what happens. All right. Takes us inside of the course. You want to hit communities right here on the phone, and it's going to take you straight to the affiliate program. If you are in the affiliate program or the influencer program, you will have access to Money Games. So on the phone, how you want to do it is you want to get to learning down here. The toggles are down here. On the desktop, you want to get to learning right here. So this is how you get to the course. So either in the affiliate portal or the influencer portal, you just want to hit learning, and then the course will be right there. Right here, you want to hit learning, and then the course will be right there. Once you open it, you will have access to Money Games, and it tells you what videos you haven't watched, so on and so forth. You get to watch the welcome video. It's all back here for you. So once again, here is how to get to Money Games. Make sure that if you haven't, you need to go through all 7 of these lessons to make sure that you get the information that you need. Here's like the welcome video and everything, but make sure that you go through these, mark it as complete. There's no quiz or anything associated to Money Games yet. It's just making sure that you have the information and making sure that you know how to maneuver through the app and get to the course, so you can take the 7 steps and be, in the right position to sell Cowboyyvvs and just understand how to use your affiliate links and stuff like that. So once again, we appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like and subscribe on this YouTube channel, and we will be bringing you way more content about how to maneuver around in the Cowboyyvvs world, and just more content about jewelry and everything in general. Let's get it.